To install the mounting collar for through-the-wall sauna heater, you have to make an opening to the wall that matches the dimensions in the manual for your sauna heater. Install the inner flange inside the outer flange using the provided fasteners. Put the collar through the opening in the wall and adjust the flanges according to wall thickness. Tighten the nuts. Remove the door from the heater and the door lock bushing. It is also wise to remove the grid. Put the protective bedding to the spot you want your heater to be. To install the front plate, screw off grooves in the bedding. Put the plate in front of the protective bedding and fix it with the screws. Move the heater through the wall. Find the most suitable position for the flange and fix it with a heat-resistant silicone compound. Press the collar to the wall. Be sure that it sticks. If needed, use some tape until the silicone is dry. Make sure the flange does not touch the heater. Install the heater door and lock bushing back on. Make sure the door can move freely and lock. Move the heater to the desired end position. To install the cover flange, remove the protective film from it and fix it using heat-resistant silicone compound. Put it to the heater's side of the wall. Make sure it does not touch the heater. Wait for the silicone is dry so you can put the stones in the heater and enjoy your sauna. For further questions, please visit our website www.huum.au or contact your local reseller.